In this lesson, you'll learn about draw and the special case called the stalemate. A player may offer a draw to their opponent at any time. It is up to the opponent to accept it or not. There are a few cases that lead to automatic draw. One of them is insufficient mating material, meaning the pieces on the table can't mate. In our case, king versus king is a draw, as neither king can checkmate the other. King and knight versus king is not enough to win either, nor is king and bishop versus king. Also, repeating the same position 3 times or making 50 moves without pawns or captures leads to automatic draw. White just made a tactical error. Instead of checkmate, the game is now a stalemate. Black is not in check but also has no legal moves. Neither side can win.